So yeah, it's still the morning. The gents are sleeping. I wanna go check if the store is open. I go check. Then I must go fetch water. I think I'll fetch the water around. Fetch it around past 8. Morning, Mujani. Lale kahle. Thank you. I think I'll fetch the water around 8. So this is the cow shit. I'm thinking of it since we're seeing the cows. Yeah, so this is the cow shit. If we're gonna make our own compost, then we're still just letting it dry. And then if it does work, we're probably gonna get it at a bigger scale or something like that. So as I was saying, the gents are still sleeping. Let's see. And then, which plants did I? So yesterday we transplanted the tomatoes. So the tomatoes were here, as you know. So this whole row here, it was tomatoes. But now it's vacant because we put it in the other row. This is cauliflowers, as you know. And then let's see the other ones growing. This is also tomatoes. This is cherries. They're also growing. Here's the cows there. They look so nice there. I was asking yesterday, they said one cow goes for, the small ones go for like 7k, then the big ones is like 18k, so probably December. This is the chilies. Let me try to switch on the flash so you can see. This is the chilies, is growing also, as you can see. All of these is chilies as well. I think this one is growing. Nah, this one is not yet growing. There's no sign. Oh, there is here. Let's see here. Oh, there is here. There's some signs of green. Yeah. And then let me show you the spinaches. Here's one here. So this one, I think my nigga, he planted the baby spinach and the chard spinach together. So I wanna see how this is gonna be like. I'll just cover it. So yeah, I just wanna go to the store quick, come back and water these. Because it's a Sunday today, I don't think we're gonna be working. See, here's not all the spinach, but these ones we're gonna have to transplant to this side. As you could see here, this is the baby spinaches, but I feel like it's too much. We planted, oh no, I think this is the mustard. Yeah, this is the mustard, but mustard spinach, because we planted 3 types of spinaches. And then, what else is growing? Yeah, I think these. This one's not growing. I think it was this one. Yeah. As you could see, this is gonna be like a bush, nyana. Maybe like a chili bush. Like the trees are gonna grow here. Probably trim them on the side. Here's the new rows we've been busy with. So most of those tomato trees have been moved to these beds. I think it's just 2 beds that have pepper. I think the red or the yellow pepper. So some of these things I forgot. But yeah, most of the tomatoes were transplanted here, and here. So this is tomatoes. Remember guys, when we started it was that side only. Now this is like the dead row. Probably gonna put potatoes here. Potatoes here. This thing is planted. What did they put here? I think they put beans. It's either this is beans or this is beans. Then there's sugar cane as well. And then there's pumpkins or butternuts, I'm not sure. And then pumpkins and butternuts. So here there's only like 3 that's available. Oh, plus that 2 of tomatoes, so there's like 5 that's available. And this is row 4, which is starting. And nothing is still planted here. Yet, still need to just fix these trenches and stuff. So you see, this is an incomplete trench, but yeah, it also needs to get there. Good morning, guys. So the niggas were clearing here yesterday. The niggas were clearing this side. As you could see, it looks better because this is how it looked. And then there was like a lot of rocks we had to throw here on the side, as you could see. So all of these rocks were taken out here.